Hello. My name is Eleanor Bakshi. I am here today to introduce you to a most wonderful man. And the ultimate green machine. His name is Blake Barnett. Chairman, President and CEO at Intrepid Robotics, Incorporated. An investment banker turned entrepreneur to champion mutual capitalism for best case solutions. And today he is here to talk about the internal robotic explosion-proof inspection device. So, to begin, do you remember the big oil spill in the Gulf?
We all remember the big oil spill in the Gulf. Well, as bad as that disaster was, it pales in comparison to what's going on right now all around the world. Unfortunately, we don't hear about the hundreds of thousands of leaks through the floors of the more than 5 million oil and chemical storage tanks around the world because they're so small. But when added together, these small leaks amount to more than 10 times the amount of oil that's spewed out into the Gulf. What is really scary is that some of these leaks are getting into our drinking water. Here's the thing. We're all affected by the threat to our drinking water because we all drink water. But because we all drive cars, we're also all a part of the problem. It's been going on a long time. But until now, no one has figured out how to solve the problem. But thanks to this video and what I'm about to share with you now, you can also be a part of the solution. Here's the deal. Environmental laws, like the Spill Prevention, Control, and Countermeasures Act here in the U.S., require tank owners to use best practices and best available technology to make sure that their storage tanks are in good shape. The oil and chemical industry's best practices are spelled out in the American Petroleum Institute's API 653 standard, which requires tank owners to visually inspect the inside of their tanks every 10 to 20 years. Oil tank inspections are very expensive. They have to be taken out of service, cleaned out, and then people must go inside the tank in order to do the inspection. Cleaning out the tanks also creates environmental problems, like hazardous air pollutants that are released in the atmosphere and getting rid of the oily sludge. It is also a very dangerous process. The tanks could explode and people have died. It's a big problem. It costs the oil and chemical industry more than $40 billion a year in lost product and maintenance expense. I started Intrepid Robotics so our customers can have a safer, cheaper, and cleaner way to manage oil tank construction, inspection, and maintenance. Now, I've been working on this problem for the last 12 years. We have our own patent pending technology and license agreements with the U.S. Department of Energy and NASA. My team and I have built and tested an intrinsically safe robot prototype we call the Dolphin Bot. Intrinsically safe means that the robot is physically not capable of causing an explosion. The robot has multiple fail-safes And none of the electrical circuits use enough energy to create a spark or generate enough heat that can make the tank go boom. Now the dolphin bot swims around the inside of the tank and finds 100% of the leaks using a hydrophone and our proprietary software that works on the Doppler effect. And we can fix most of the leaks while the tank is still in service and full of product.
We will deliver any number of dolphin bots for your storage tank field. Simply take each dolphin bot and carefully insert it into a storage tank after pressing the on button. With the Intrepid Robotics technology, they practically install themselves.
If the tank is not leaking, then the robot can go ahead and perform an API 653 inspection with ultrasonic sound transducers that measures the floor thickness while the tank is still in service and full of product, so you don't have to put people inside.
The onboard computer-controlled navigation system begins by aligning the dolphin bot with the contours of any tank.
Even better, we can leave the dolphin bot robot inside the tank so that if it ever starts leaking, it automatically sends a message back through the cloud to our office in Houston so we can send a repair robot out to fix the leak right away. We need your donations to build the commercial version of the Dolphin Bot, get it certified, and start putting one in every tank. Please help us get the word out by sharing this video with your friends, and help us to make the right things happen. And donate until it hurts, because our planet is hurting until we get this fixed. When you donate, you can get a shirt like this one. It's a conversation starter. And you can tell other folks about how you're helping to solve the problem too. And hopefully they'll want to help as well. For more information, go to the link to our website below. Thank you for your help. We really appreciate it.